Nutrition response therapy is a special type of evaluation using neural reflexes throughout the body, testing and evaluating whether or not there are specific organs, glands, and tissues that need nutritional support in order to optimize their function. So it is never good enough to take away a pathogen or a stressor like chemicals or heavy or soft metals, even emotions, because those things have negatively affected the development of new cells as well as damaged cells that are already there. So the idea with nutrition response therapy is that we use a special type of evaluation so that we can supply the body with the tool it needs to repair, while at the same time taking away frequencies that are harmful.